Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Next Generation Mechanics. Today we're replacing a flight data recorder on the 737 MAX. But before we start the replacement, let me tell you something about the flight data recorder system. The flight data recorder and the Digital Flight Data Acquisition Unit, or DFDAU, work together to collect airplane data and store it. The purpose of the DFDAU is to collect the airplane data and change the inputs into standard digital formats for the flight data recorder to store this airplane data. The flight data recorder is located in the aft section of the airplane. The flight data recorder stores airplane parameters and system data for the last 25 hours of operation. The flight data recorder is made of hard steel alloys to give protection. It weighs approximately 8 kilograms or 18 pounds. And the flight data recorder can handle up to 3400 Gs of impact, withstand deep sea water pressures of up to 20,000 feet or 6100 meters, and withstand fire temperatures of 1100 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. If we look at the flight data recorder, we see what looks like a metal tube. This metal tube is the ULD, or underwater locator device. The underwater locator device is an ultrasonic beacon. It makes the flight data recorder easier to find if it is underwater. If the ULD comes into contact with water, it sends out an acoustic pulse tone of 37.5 kHz at a rate of 1 pulse per second. The ULD can operate for a minimum of 90 days. When the engine is off, the flight data recorder is not operating, but when the engine is running, the DFDAU collects data and sends it to the flight recorder for storage. The DFDAU collects data from locations such as rudder position, elevator position, aileron position, control wheel position, and many more data is collected and stored on the flight data recorder. During our weekly check, we found that the flight data recorder was not working. Normally when switching on the flight recorder switch to the test position, the off light should extinguish. But now the off light stayed on. This indicates that there is a problem in the flight recorder system. The first step is to replace the flight data recorder, so we are gonna do that. First we have to pull the circuit breakers and loosening the knobs that hold the flight data recorder in place. Removing the flight data recorder and inspecting the connector of the flight data recorder rack. Here we have the new flight data recorder. Removing the connector covers and inspecting connector on the new flight data recorder. Reinstalling the flight data recorder and tightening the knobs again. After installation, resetting of the circuit breakers again, and now we can perform the operational test. Switching the flight recorder switch to the test, and as you can see, the off light extinguishes. And if we put the switch back to normal, the off light comes back on. That means that the flight data recorder system is working okay again. Thank you for watching and see you next time.